Prepare your workspace so installing baseboards is fast, accurate, and mess-free. Start by clearing the entire floor area of furniture, rugs, and decor so you have uninterrupted access to all walls. Sweep and vacuum the subfloor and the bottom edge of the walls to remove dust that will interfere with adhesive or caulking adhesion. Lay out tools in a logical order along one wall. Miter saw or hand saw, coping saw, measuring tape, pencil, speed square, nail gun or finish nails with hammer, pry bar, caulk gun, construction adhesive, and safety gear. Measure each wall end to end and mark stud locations with a small pencil tick every 16 inches where possible, so you can fasten solidly into framing. Organize baseboard pieces by room and by wall, pre-labeling each piece with its location and orientation so you do not repeatedly measure during installation. Finally, check for obstructions such as electrical outlets, heating vents, door casings, and uneven floors, and note any high or low spots to be trued with shims or scribed cuts. Common mistakes are not measuring each wall beforehand, which leads to miscut pieces and wasted material. Avoid that by measuring twice and cutting once while keeping a small test piece to confirm fit. Another frequent issue is failing to locate studs, which results in loose or popping nails. Solve this by marking stud lines and using adhesive in addition to fasteners where studs do not line up. A final concern is inconsistent gaps or uneven floors, creating visible gaps at the bottom of the baseboard. Address that by scribing the baseboard to the floor, using shims behind the board where needed, and running a thin bead of paintable caulk along the top and bottom for a finished appearance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like baseboard installation and helps contractors find work opportunities in nearby neighborhoods. We host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post project photos so both homeowners and professionals can learn from real experiences.